Okay.
Sled back so the rope.
Just go slow.
Pull the sled back so the rope.
Okay. D-Rabbit getting pulled on a sled behind the Dodge Ram. Joey's Dodge Ram. Got to tighten up the rope. There's the truck. Here we go. What the fuck? Whoa, nice and easy. Whoa, shit. Pine tree up. Fuck. Oh. It was going good. It was going good. Seems like we're stuck. Fucking trees. Ah! Woo-hoo! Whoa, bunkers! Whoa! Huh. Here we go. Woo! Whoa, let's hit the ladder. Should come the opposite way. Oh shit.